Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make a fabric tutu. You're going to need some scissors, a ruler. This one is 3 inches by 18 inches. And then you're going to need some elastic. This one is the 1-inch wide one. And then your fabric. I have 4 different colors, and then I got the full sequence ones. I already pre-cut these. These are all 3 inches by 19 inches, I believe. See, because this is 3 by 18, so they're about 3 by 19. All I did was get the fabric half a yard, fold it in half, and then use the ruler as my guide for each one. The sequence was a little bit hard to cut, only because there's just so much of these. Okay, so I went ahead and started it already. All I did, I'm just using my vase to hold it. Have a just clipped up here. Just for example, you could use a milk jug. I was going to use my lamp, but decided not to. I'm just going to use this. Okay, so then what I did was get your piece of fabric. I ended up adding the little tails to the pink ones just to give it something. So what you're going to do is fold it in half. Just kind of hold it up like this. And I put it under and over. Hold your little loop right here. And then I just flip it up and then bring it out through here. And then just tighten it up. And then you can just play around with it until you like how it lays, but you can also play around with it when you're done with it all. And there you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn this a little bit more. So I'm gonna get my white one. Again, I'm just gonna fold it in half. Hold the little top like this. Go from under, hold my little loop, bring this up, around, and in towards the top. Now I'm going to get the tool, do the same thing, fold it in half, bring it under, wrap it on top and pull it down. The tool is a lot easier to work with. Fabric's a little bit harder just because it's so thick. And then after I'm done, I might starch these up and iron them out so they're nice and crispy and everything. Okay, so after the tool, here's the gold one. And same, fold it in half, under. No, this one's the toughest because it's so thick. and then just fix it to your liking. Okay, so this is the finished product. Finally got them all in and tied. I'm still planning on ironing it though. Now I'm just gonna trim the tulle. Okay, now I got the tulle trimmed to the length of everything else. The tulle usually ends up being longer just because it's so stretchy, but now it's all even. So I'm just gonna go ahead and iron my white pieces with the gold diamonds on it and my pink ones, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ironed it a little bit. I only put a tiny bit of starch. I used this one right here. And now like all the wrinkles are out.